So I first heard about the Moʻolelo of ʻIwa a long time ago when I first started teaching. The vocabulary word was aihue, which means to steal. So one of my students, a longtime brother, activist, Skippy Ioane, said, oh, you know, aihue was an honorable profession, was an art in the old days. None of us in the class really knew what to say, myself included, because for me there was a conflict. So I had to kind of study this more. And when I read the Moʻolelo of ʻIwa, I realized, oh yeah, aihue in this context was something honorable. It was something good. But in my mind, I knew those ʻōlelo noʻeau about stealing. Piko pau iolea. You wouldn't leave your piko, the piko of the baby, out because it would get eaten by the rat. And nobody wanted their kid to be like the rat who goes around stealing. But the more and more I kind of looked into this story and the topic of aihue itself, it kind of showed me that Hawaiians are a complex people and our culture is complex. We learned over time that the way that we were characterized in Western writings was just, with a simple flick of the wrist and flick of the pen, like, oh yeah, Hawaiians were thieves. Same thing with all other of our Polynesian cousins. Yeah, oh yeah, they're thieves because they're stealing from the ships and all these things. But if you look at this mo'olelo in particular, it really is a way for our haumana to reclaim their identity as Hawaiians and to see that we as a people are a complex people, that aihue was an honorable profession. It was something that ʻIwa himself gained fame for. There are many different words for stealing. I mean, in Hawaiian, you have aihue. You have poa, which is robbery. You have the things that the olohe did, which, they killed people for things. That's not good. You have ka'ili, to take forcefully or to take as a chief. How, all these different ways of taking. And then if you look at other stories of petty thieves, well, they're not celebrated at all. We don't even know their names unless you really look into those stories, yeah. But in general, I think mo'olelo like this can be used just to show complexity, to show perspective, as a way of reclaiming our identity as Hawaiians and really understanding who we are. We need to visit and revisit our mo'olelo and study and ask the important questions and just sit with them. If we don't understand, sit with them. And then do your research and find out some more. So, oia no, oia ko'u mana'o.